Although the Dow has not broken out of this wedge formation, which is much more clearly evident with candlestick signals showing when they show buying at the bottom of the trend and selling at the top of the trend, there's still not evidence that there's any selling going on. And being able to analyze the other charts or indexes just as well, we can see that the bullish trading today in the Nasdaq broke it out into new territory, creating a probability that if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, the gap up through this area is starting a very strong move to the upside, meaning we could see a lot more upside in this market as long as it doesn't come back down and get caught back into the sideways trading channel. Knowing that the trend is not really reversing allows candlestick investors to take advantage of reoccurring investor sentiment patterns. This is what we call the bobble. The bobble is where it comes up, hits a resistance level. Notice when it pulled back, they couldn't close it below the T-line. Now not only do you have a T-line crunch, but you have what we call the bobble, where if they come up through the resistance a second time, they're usually going to go through with great strength. This is why we recommended BPT not too long ago, and this also is being affected by crude oil prices that have been trading positive. That same analysis is what caused us to recommend BITA today, BITA, because it did the bobble. Came up, pulled back, and notice the T-line wouldn't let it close below that level. Then we had kind of a doji sitting right here on the 50-day moving average with the T-line crunch in effect. Made it very simple. If it started trading positive today, we were buying immediately because that would tell us that we have the bobble breakout, which is also causing a J-hook pattern, which tells us if this was move 1, move 3 would be up in this area or possibly coming up to the 200-day moving average. Candlestick signals and patterns just recognize the reoccurring nature of human investor sentiment and allows you to be in high probability trades at the appropriate time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.